Welcome to Sir Win's Accounting Lecture. Today, magkakaroon tayo ng pen and paper video problem solving patungkol sa Lecture 04, Partnership Operations, Bonus Computation. Actually, nasa description ng video lecture na ito yung mismong problem under discussion. Kung gusto mong sagutan ng solo at balikan ang lecture na ito kapag tapos ka na, mas mabuti. Kasi ang accounting ay natututunan not by mere listening but actually by you doing the problem solving. Pero kung may sagot ka na, simulan na natin. Again, Lecture 04, Partnership Operations, Bonus Computation. And here is our problem. Isabel Barco, Jamaica Lista, and Pamela Balanyag form a partnership on January 1, 2024 with capital contributions of 300,000, 500,000, and 200,000 respectively. For the year ended December 31, 2024, the partnership reported a profit of 450,000. Required, determine the partner's share in the profit under each of the following independent situations and prepare the entry to record the following profit allocation to individual capital accounts. So we have three independent scenarios for bonus computation. Sagutan muna natin itong number 1. Barco receives a bonus of 10% of profit for managing the business, and the balance is to be divided on the basis of beginning capital balances. So para makagawa ng profit distribution schedule, so kailangan lang muna natin isulat again yung mga apelyido ng mga partners sa taas bilang heading. So we have Barco, Lista, and Balanyal. Siyempre, meron tayong total dito sa dulo. And then, ang ating hahatiin is yung profit nga na 450,000. At susunod lang tayo dun sa agreement ng mga partner na ang sabi sa requirement number 1, merong bonus na ibibigay kay Barco. Yan. Ang tanong, paano siya kinikwenta? So, simple lang. Kailangan nating gawan ng formula siya. Gagawa tayo ng algebraic equation at ito na nga yung formula ng bonus, which is B is equal to, sabi daw, 10% of. When we say of sa mathematics, it means multiply. So 10% multiply by the profit. So ganito lang siya kasimple. Okay? So B will be equal to 10% multiply by the profit, which is 450,000. So kunin natin yung ating calculator. So there will be 450,000, okay, multiply by 10%, that will be the bonus to be received by Barco, 45,000. So simple lang po yung ating requirement number 1. Mamaya magiging komplikado rin yan pagdating natin dun sa requirement number 2 and number 3. So again, 45,000 will be allocated to Barco. So yun din ang ilalagay natin dito sa total. And then we have here the balances. Balances or remainder will be divided based on beginning capital contribution. So magkano nga ba yung ating profit? Ang profit natin, ang sabi sa problem, is 450,000. Ngayon, naibigay na yung 45,000. So magkano na lang ang natitirang balances natin? Yung balance na ibibigay natin sa kanilang tatlo. So 450,000 minus 45,000, we will get 405,000. To be divided on their capital contribution beginning, which is 3:5:2, na ang total ay 10. So therefore, it seems like na yung 405,000 will be multiplied by 30 over 10, 30 over 100 or just 30%, so times 0.3. So 121,500 will be going to Barco. And then again, 405,000 multiply by 0.5 kasi 500 over 1,000 o 50 over 100 kay Lista, that would be 202,500. And then 405,000 multiplied by 2 over 10, okay, 20%, that will be 81,000 for Balanyal. And then tapos na po natin yung requirement number 1. Ito total na lang natin. So kay Barco, 45,000 plus the bonus, di ba? Plus 121,500 yung remainder. Ito na yung total, 166,500. Kay Lista, edi syempre nag-iisa yon. So yun na rin ang magiging sagot natin, 202,500. At kay Balanyal naman, 81,000. Again, the total profit na hinati natin is 450,000. What will be the entry? Kasi hinahanap din siya. So we are going to debit income summary, representation ng kung magkano yung kinita ng business, which is 450,000, And we are going to credit the capital of each account. So we credit Barco Capital, 166,500. Lista Capital, 202,500. And Balanyal Capital, amounting to 81,000. So that ends question number 1. Let's go to requirement number 2. Okay? Barco receives a bonus of 10% of profit after deducting bonus for managing the business. The balance is to be divided equally. So again, we prepare the profit distribution table. We have Barco, Lista, Balanyal, and total for requirement number 2. Okay? Sabi, una, magbibigay ulit ng bonus. Yung balance naman, mamaya magkakaroon din ng sagot yan, will be divided equally. And then we have here the total. Okay? By the way, the total profit again is amounting to 450,000. Ang focus ng ating discussion is yung bonus. So therefore, gawan ulit natin siya ng computation. Bonus is equal to 10% of profit. Ang sabi ay after deducting the bonus. So therefore, we have minus B. And then we have to substitute. B is equal to 0.10. Then profit is 450,000 minus B. Gagamitan lang natin ng algebra yan. Sana maalam po tayo. So 0.10 times 450,000. Pipindot pa rin tayo ng calculator. Okay. That would be 45,000. And then, distributive property sa mathematics, 0.10 multiply by B. Di ba may nakatago doon na 1? So therefore, that would be, okay, 0.10B. Ayan na po yun. And then we transpose B plus 0.10B is equal to 45,000. And then pagpaplasin natin yun, di ba nabanggit natin kanina, pag letter lang may nakatago na 1. So therefore, this will be 1.1B is equal to 45,000. And then what's next? Yung nandito, this equality property, i-divide naman natin dito yung 1.10. So therefore, B is equal to 45,000 divided by 1.10. Okay? Hindi na po natin ini-elaborate yung pinakang computation, di ba? Yung kanyang process. Kasi ang idea, meron po tayong alam sa algebra kahit papaano. Okay? Basta ang ibig sabihin lang niyan sa problem kapag nabasa ninyo na after deducting bonus, pag nilagay natin dito sa algebraic equation, there will be minus B. And the rest is math. Ayan. So again, 45,000 divided by 1.1. That will be our bonus amounting to 40,909.09. Yan na yung pupunta na bonus kay Barco. 40,909.09. Okay? Ngayon, magkano ang remainder? So, deduct with the total profit of 450,000. That would be 409,000. Okay? 90.91. Ngayon, ano ang sabi ng problem? Equally, tatlo sila divided by 3. So, magkano? 136,363.63 each. Ayan na po, sinusulat na natin. Okay? Ayan. 63.63. And then, to end, we have to get the total. Sana maliwanag yung computation ng bonus kung sakaling after bonus ang sinabi ng problem. Kay Barco, magiging magkano ang kanyang share? 40,909.09 plus 136,363.63. That would be 177,272.72. At yung kay Lista, ganon din yung amount niya. Okay, 136,363.63. At ganon din kay Balanyal. Okay? Kasi equally naman kasi yung profit. So we make the entry. So we debit income summary for the total profit, which is 450,000, and we credit the capital of each partner. So napapansin natin, di ba, ang inire-record natin na amount is hindi naman yung details, but rather yung total na kaagad nung sa distribution schedule. So credit, Lista Capital, 136,363.63, and Balanyal Capital. Okay? So yan na po. Yan na po ang sagot natin sa requirement yan, number 2. Okay? Independent situation. Now, let's try to answer, okay? The third problem. So, yan na po yan. Kuha lang tayo ng papel. Okay? So, what is this? Sabi sa problem, Salaries of 30,000, 45,000, and 65,000 are given to Barco, Lista, and Balanyal respectively. 5% interest on initial capital contributions. Bonus to Barco of 8% of profit after deducting bonus, salary, and interest. In a remainder, divided equally. So medyo komplikado na po yung problem natin sapagkat meron na siyang salary, mayroon ng interest at may bonus pa. So again, to start, kailangan pa rin ulit natin gumawa ng profit distribution schedule. Ang heading natin muli, yung apelyido ng ating mga partners. So we have Barco, Lista, Balanyal. Okay, at saka yung isa pa, si Total. Ayan. So anong sabi? We have here salaries. Magkano ang salaries na ibinigay kay Barco? 30,000. Lista is 45,000. Balanyal is 65,000. So magkano na ngayon ang total na salaries na ibinigay dun sa tatlong partners? So we have to get this calculator and total their respective salaries. So total would be 140,000. Sinabi rin ng problem na merong interest. Ang interest na nakabase sa initial capital contribution which is 5%. You remember, here are their capital contribution. So nandito, di ba? So 300,000 multiply by, okay, 5%, tama, 5%, that would be 15,000 to Barco. And then, 500,000 times 5% times 5%, okay, to Lista would be 25,000. At kay Balanyal naman is 200,000, okay, times 5%, that would be 10,000. So magkano ngayon ang total na interest na ibinigay sa tatlong partners? So we have to add 15,000, 25,000, and 10,000. That would be 50,000. Okay, that ends the computation for interest. Okay, now let's go with the highlight, with the bonus. Again, ang bonus, kailan na nga natin ng mathematics dyan. So therefore, gagamitan po ulit natin ng formula, yung algebraic equation. Susunod lang naman tayo dun sa problem eh. Okay, naasabi dun, ang bonus daw ay equal sa 8%, yan, 0.08 na kagad ang ginamit natin, of what? Of profit after deducting bonus, salaries, and interest. So pag nakuha po natin yung itong equation na to, makakapagsagot na tayo kasi math na ang kasunod, algebra na siya. Okay, kailangan lang natin talagang ma-plot kung bakit ganito yung equation, kung ano yung equation. Maraming paraan ng pagkikwenta ng bonus pero mas komportable po tayo pag ginagamitan ng algebraic equation. Bakit? Kasi kahit itong dalawang nauna na sinagutan natin, itong before bonus and after bonus at siya lamang ang nag-iisang equation, may ibang format nito. Pero ang akin lang kasi, pag naging komplikado na yung problem, let's say sinamahan na ng after salary, after interest, hindi na pwedeng gamitin yung normal na way ng pagkikwenta nitong bonus kung sakaling before and after yung ibang computation. Pero pag algebraic equation, laging iisa yung naging computation. Pwede mong gamitin kahit ano pa man yung maging problem kung sakaling ganito yung paraan ng pagkikwenta ang ginagawa natin. Okay? Kaya sige, sagutan na nga lang natin. Basta ang punto ko lang, ito ang mas the best na solution. Lalo kapag nasa higher accounting na kayo. Okay? So, yan, magsasubstitute lang. So, 8% ng profit, ang profit which is 450,000. After bonus, so minus B. Minus salaries, ang salaries natin, kwenta natin kanina, 140,000. And then, interest is equal to 50,000. Okay? Then, after that, magmamat muna tayo. Ang sabi sa mathematics, yun munang nasa parenthesis bago i-multiply yung nasa labas na 8%. So, like term. So, ibig sabihin, hindi pwedeng i-minus yung B dun sa numbers. Ang pwede lang i-minus is yung mga kapwa numbers lang. So, therefore, 450,000 minus 140,000 minus 50,000. So, we will get the net amount of 260,000. Yung B, matitira yan kasi nga siya ay letter. Okay? Kung sakaling ganito na, madali na yung kasunod kasi isosolve mo na lang yan. So, 8% times 260,000, that would be 20,800. And then, 8% times B, that would be 0.08B. Ayan. So, what's next? So, di ba, lilipat itong 0.08 dun sa kabila. So, B plus 0.08B, kita ba? Hindi pa nakita. B plus 0.08B is equal to 20,800. And then, i-add natin 1.08B. Di ba? Pwede mo nang i-add yan kasi may nakatagong 1 dun sa B. So, 1.08B is equal to 20,800. And then, afterwards, okay, yung 1.08 1.08 magiging denominator nung naging sagot natin kanina. So 20,800 divided by 1.08, that will be our bonus, which is 19,259.26. Rounded na natin yun. Okay? So this will be the bonus to be given to Barco. 19,259.26. Okay? Ayan. Ngayon, ang sabi ng problem, ang total profit natin ay 450,000. Di ba ito yung total natin? 450,000. Ngayon, meron pa tayong balance o meron tayong remainder. Okay, remainder naman ang gamitin natin kasi kahit alin naman ay pwede. Remainder which will be divided equally. So, magkano ba ang remainder? So, therefore, 450,000 yung total profit minus the salary of 140,000 and interest of 50,000 and yung kwenta natin na bonus na binigay natin kay Barco na 19,259.26. So, the remainder would be 240,740.74. At ang sabi ng problem, to be divided equally. So, tatlo sila divided by 3. So, lalabas na amount is 80,246.91 kay Barco. At malamang ganun din dun sa iba. 80,246.91 and 80,246. Okay? 92 na ang gagamitin natin kasi ang total ay 0.74. Okay? Hindi nga pala maganda ang pagkakatapat. So pagpasensyahan nyo na, basahin po ay nakatapat ay dun sa remainder. Okay? And then we have to get the total. Ayan, Barco, 30,000 plus 15,000. Okay? Plus 19,259.26 plus the remainder of 80,246.91. So we will get 144,506.17. Yan yung total ni Barco. And then kay Lista naman, 45,000 plus 25,000 plus 80,246.91. So we will get 150,246.91. And then kay Balanyal, 65,000 plus 65,000 plus 10,000 plus 80,246.92. So we will get 155,246.92. Para ma-double check yung mga total, i-add din natin. So yung kay Balanyal, ito naman yung kay Lista. Okay? Ayan na, 150,246.91. At saka i-add din natin yung kay Barco, 144,506.17. So dapat ang total 450,000. So ibig sabihin, balance siya doon sa total profit na hinahati mo. Again, the requirement is also to prepare the entry, which basically simple na lang yan. Kasi ang kailangan mo lang naman dyan is yung total ng profit allocation. So you debit income summary amounting to 450,000. You credit the capital of each partner. So credit Barco capital amounting to 144,506.17. And you credit Lista capital ay amounting to 150,246.91 and Balanyal capital amounting to 155,246.92. So basically, yan na po ang computation, okay, problem solving kung sakaling yung problem ay mayroong bonus. So yun lamang at maraming salamat.